So good evening. I am Captain Bijoy Bose in your YouTube channel with the handle name as I am Captain Bijoy Bose. So wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. So we being the land of the originator of yoga, and we are teaching the world the benefits and a lot of healing properties doing yoga. So yes, I want to share a few benefits what I have experienced over these 3-4 years. So firstly, yoga, the outer world, and most of the people they understand about doing exercises or yoga asana. But there are two sides of the coin. Yoga is as well as exercising or asanas, but the other side of the coin is yoga. Yoga means the union. Union means the union with your soul, with the Almighty Authority, या फिर अपना आत्मा का परम आत्मा से योग. So I believe that aspect. India is always known that India is always spiritually inclined, and that aspect of union to God is more prevalent, and the practices have been in play for several years, and we are able to connect with the Almighty Authorities, our old Rishi Munis who are in Dhyan Sadhana, and they are able to get the divine connection. So I want to reveal something today, the benefits, and want to share my pledge. So we have been seeing a lot of yogis who are doing Dhyan Sadhana in the higher mountains, in the Himalayas, in the snow-lined conditions. Now, how have they achieved to control that kind of chill condition, that is -10 to -30, 40 degrees? And that too without any food. How are they doing it? So yes, with the practice of yoga and meditation, you are able to achieve that kind of control to your body, and that type of connection with the nature. From there you start harnessing your energies from the sun, the earth, the ether, and you don't require to eat food. That is something marvelous. So I always used to think, if those Rishi Munis and some yogis who are in the higher mountains doing meditation and yoga at that chill condition, so can we also control our body in the heat conditions? Valid? So yes, we are able to do that, and I have achieved, and that is my achievement for this International Yoga Day. I've been, over 2-3 years, I've been thinking that we are increasing or decreasing the air conditioning temperature over the years and years, and the climatic condition is increasing. So where I'm staying, the climate heat condition is, the temperature rises from 45 degrees to 48 degrees, even 49 degrees. At some point, some parts, it is even touching 49 to 50 degrees. And who knows, in 5-10 years, as the global warming is happening, it is going to rise up. So how are we going to control that? So are we only going to control and be dependent on the technology and the air conditioned technologies? So answer is yes and no, both ways. But if you ask about me, we need to control our body. We need to control our mind, taking the cue and help of yoga, sadhana, meditation. If you control your mind, you are able to control your body, and then you are able to control the temperature of the body as per the outer climatic conditions. So yes, this year I'm able to achieve it. 2024, I am conveying before you all that this entire summers I could live without the air conditioning at my home. Yes, you heard me right. So no AC this time, and I'm surviving, and I'm feeling so happy and proud about it that I had no emissions from my place. So I have done my bit by not depleting the ozone layer. So you can also do it. It is all in the mind. If you think it's so hot, so hot, so hot, chill condition, you always decrease the temperature. AC 18, 17, 19, full fan. So no, that is not the answer. The answer is, the solution is, you need to change your inner engineering, as Sadhguru says. So you have to control your body and mind, and you have to control your temperature, body, as per the outer climatic conditions. So yes, you can do it, and this is my achievement for this International Yoga Day. And if I can do it, you too can do it. And next year I want to pledge and want to take pledge from you all that start with 7 days of no air conditioning at home. Do that. At least do that for 1 day. So if you can do that, you will feel good. Your body would prepare as per the climate condition, and you will boost your immunities, and you be prepared for the upcoming changes in the seasons. So if you do that, you will be more healthy, more immune. You have immunity, you boost your immunity. So yes, you can do that. So next year my pledge would be no air conditioning in the vehicles. So I would not run an AC in my car. This is my pledge. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So all the best, and wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. Bye bye, and see you soon.